Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fahmi Salman Farizi. Here is my research proposal. The title is the use of role-play method in online speaking class. This is the table of content. Background: the COVID-19 pandemic has an impact on many parties. This condition has penetrated the world of education. The central government to the regional level has provided policies for close all educational institutions. Government and educational institutions began to change the learning strategy, which was initially face-to-face, by changing it to non-face-to-face learning, or some say online learning and distant learning. Online simulation is coming to be seen as a particular standalone learning tool, and the consideration of new learning tasks that become possible with the new learning tools would be part of the educator's strategic learning plan. It was decided, therefore, to design and trial an online roleplay as a learning activity. The online roleplay was designed as an alternative to the existing face-to-face workshop that would offer more ability for access for participants and enable them to explore various approaches to controversial topic within the course. The issue is several things that can be done during online learning are communicating and discussing online. Role-plays is used as a teaching technique for a better grasp of knowledge and skill. It is also a tool employed in the teaching and learning for the development of language abilities or argumentation skills. The field is role-play and online speaking class, and the gap is this research examines how to use online role-play as part of their in-service professional development, that examines the effectiveness of their own experiences as students using online role-play as well. Formation of problem is the research question in this research is about can it be effective if the role-play learning method is used in online learning, and the aim of the research is the study will focus on teacher own experiences of using online role-playing to achieve a better understanding of how this method can be used to facilitate online teaching and learning. And the literature review: online play involves collaborative learning by which people work together achieve the goal addressing and solving a problem. The social interaction precedes development, and that consciousness and cognition are the end product of socialization. It further assumes that knowledge can be created within a group where members actively interact by sharing experiences and taking controls. Two typical examples of collaborative learning with the help of computer and the internet are computer-supported collaborative learning and collaborative network learning. The former involves learning use of technology to help support group interaction in a collaborative learning environment. Learning in this situation is characterized by sharing and constructing knowledge among participants who use technology to communicate, to control and monitor interaction, to regulate rules, tasks, and roles, and to mediate the acquisition of new. The latter occurs through online discussion between self-directed learner and between learner and teacher. With a common purpose, learners depend upon each other for the success of communicating or finding solution to problem. The research procedure method is in this study use a case study methodology, which include the analysis of qualitative data generated from online role play activities. Setting and participant. The participants are EFL students, which held by two vocational high school teachers who master English subject, each of them holding several classes. And the data will be collected by giving questionnaire. And the data analysis, participant responses to the activity were evaluated by means of a questionnaire was designed to determine participant perception of the effectiveness of online roleplay. And this is my some references for full references in research proposal. And thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.